Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello to everyone listening today. How are you, Sarah?
I'm wonderful, Kevin, but actually, I'm quite hungry right now.
Hungry? Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I did, but that was hours ago. I'm thinking about lunch now.
What do you want for lunch?
Hmm, I want Italian food. Maybe some pasta. There's a new restaurant near my house.
Oh, that sounds delicious. And you know what, Sarah?
What?
That's perfect for today's topic. Today, we're talking about English at the restaurant.
Exactly! How to order food confidently. This is so useful.
Everyone needs to know this, whether you're traveling or just living your daily life.
Restaurants can be scary in English, but today we'll make it easy.
Very easy. No more fear, just confidence.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please. If you're enjoying this podcast, please subscribe to Master English Channel.
And click the like button. It really helps us make more episodes.
You can also share this with friends who are learning English.
We love hearing from you in the comments. Thank you so much for your support.
Now, let's go to a restaurant. Are you ready, Sarah?
I'm ready. Let's start from the beginning. You walk into the restaurant. You open the door.
What happens first?
Someone greets you, usually the host or hostess.
What do they say?
They say hello or welcome, very friendly.
Then they ask you a question. How many people?
Or they might say table for how many? Same meaning.
So you need to answer. How do you answer?
Very simple. Just say the number. 2, please, or 4, please.
What if you're alone?
Say just 1, please, or 1 person.
Easy. Now, sometimes the restaurant is busy. No tables are free.
Then they might say, please wait, or it will be 10 minutes.
So you wait. When the table is ready, they say, follow me, please.
You follow them to your table. You sit down. Now what?
The server comes to you. A server is the person who helps you order.
Some people say waiter or waitress. All the same.
The server gives you a menu. What's a menu?
A menu is a list. It shows all the food and drinks you can order.
You look at the menu and choose what you want.
But first, the server usually asks about drinks.
They say, can I get you something to drink? Or what would you like to drink?
How do you answer? Let's say you want water.
Say, water, please. Just 2 words. Very simple.
Or you can say, can I have water, please? That's also good.
What about coffee or tea?
Same pattern. I'd like coffee, please. Or can I have tea?
I'd like is very useful. It means I want, but more polite.
In restaurants, always use I'd like instead of I want. I'd like coffee. I'd like orange juice. Very polite.
Now you have your drink. Time to order food. You look at the menu.
You read all the options. Sometimes you don't understand something on the menu. What do?
You ask questions. Say, what is this? And point to the menu.
Or say, what's in this dish? The server will explain.
They might say, this is chicken with rice, or this has tomatoes and cheese.
If you have allergies, you must ask. Your health is important.
Say, does this have nuts, or is this gluten-free?
The server will tell you. They want you to be safe.
Now you're ready to order. The server asks, are you ready to order?
You say, yes, please, or yes, I'm ready.
Then you tell them what you want. How do you say it?
Use I'd like or I'll have. Both are polite and common. I'd like the pasta, please, or I'll have the chicken, please.
Perfect. Now, what if you want to change something?
Change something, like what?
Maybe you don't like onions, or you want extra cheese.
How do you ask for that? Say, no onions, please, or without onions, please.
And for extra, say, with extra cheese, please.
Most restaurants are happy to do this. Just ask politely.
Sometimes the server asks you questions too.
Yes, for example, if you order steak, they ask, how would you like your steak?
This means how much do you want it cooked?
Rare means not cooked much. Medium means cooked in the middle. Well done means cooked a lot.
Just say one word. Medium, please.
They also ask about side dishes. Side dishes are extra food that comes with your meal.
Like French fries, salad, or rice.
They say, "What would you like for your side?" Or "Would you like fries or salad?"
You choose. I'd like the salad, please.
Now, let's talk about during the meal. You're eating your food.
What if you need something? More water, more napkins.
A napkin is the paper or cloth you use to clean your mouth and hands.
How do you get the server's attention?
When they walk by, say, "Excuse me," or raise your hand a little.
Never snap your fingers. That's rude. Never shout. Also rude.
Just "Excuse me" and be polite.
Then ask for what you need. Can I have more water, please? Or could I have some napkins? Both are polite.
What if something is wrong with your food?
Tell the server. Be polite but honest.
Say, "Excuse me, this is cold. Could you warm it up?"
Or, "I ordered the chicken, but this is fish."
The server will fix it. They want you to be happy.
Okay, the meal is finished. You're full. Time to pay.
How do you ask for the bill?
The bill is the paper that shows how much you need to pay.
Some people say check. Bill or check, both are correct.
Say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Check, please."
The server brings it to your table. You look at it.
You can pay with cash or with a credit card.
If you use a card, give it to the server. They process it and bring it back.
Now, what about tips? A tip is extra money for good service.
In the United States, tips are usually 15 to 20% of the bill.
But in some countries, the tip is already included in the bill.
Look for service charge or gratuity on the bill. Those mean tip.
If it's included, you don't need to add more.
After you pay, say thank you to the server.
They might say, "Thank you, have a nice day."
You can say you too or thanks, goodbye.
Then you leave. That's it. Not scary at all.
Let's help our listeners remember everything. Quick recap time.
Good idea. We talked about so many useful phrases today.
First, when you enter, tell them how many people. 2, please.
The server gives you a menu. That's the list of food.
Order drinks first. Use I'd like or can I have. Both are polite.
Then order food. Say, "I'll have the pasta, please."
You can make changes. No onions, please, or extra cheese, please.
Ask questions if you don't understand. "What is this?" Or "What's in this dish?"
During the meal, if you need something, say, "Excuse me," then ask politely.
When you finish, ask for the bill. "Check, please."
Pay with cash or card. Don't forget about tips in some countries.
Always be polite. Say "please" and "thank you." The server wants to help you.
That's everything. You're ready to order in English now.
Now, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, please tell us this.
What is your favorite restaurant and what do you usually order there?
For example, I love Thai food. I always order green curry with rice.
And I love Italian restaurants. I usually order spaghetti with tomato sauce. Delicious.
Write your answer in the comments. It's great practice for writing English.
We read all your comments. We love hearing from you.
And please, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Master English channel.
Click the like button and share with your friends. It helps us so much.
Thank you for your support. It means everything to us.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you feel more confident about ordering food in English now.
Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The server wants to help you.
Just be polite and clear. You can do this.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Happy learning and enjoy your next meal.
Bye-bye.